Eli Manning is a retired American football quarterback who played his entire 16-year NFL career with the New York Giants from 2004 to 2019. Born into football royalty as the youngest son of NFL legend Archie Manning and brother to two-time Super Bowl MVP Peyton Manning, Eli became a household name for his clutch performances, leading the Giants to two improbable Super Bowl victories over the undefeated New England Patriots in 2008 and 2012, earning Super Bowl MVP honors both times. Nicknamed Easy for his laid-back demeanor, Manning's career stats include 57,023 passing yards, 11th all-time, 366 touchdowns, 10th all-time, and a franchise record 210 consecutive starts. Manning met Abby McGrew at Ole Miss. He proposed in 2007 and they married on April 19, 2008 in San Jose del Cabo, Mexico. The couple has 4 children, daughters Eva, Lucy and Caroline and son Ever, and resides in the upscale suburb of Summit, New Jersey. Retiring in 2020, he has since transitioned into broadcasting, philanthropy and light-hearted media appearances, remaining a beloved figure in New York sports. Eli Manning was born on January 3, 1981 in New Orleans, Louisiana, to Archie Manning, a celebrated NFL quarterback known for his time with the New Orleans Saints, and Olivia Williams Manning, a former college basketball player. Selected first overall by the San Diego Chargers in the 2004 NFL Draft, Manning refused to play for them and orchestrated a dramatic draft day trade to the New York Giants, where he signed a 6-year, $45 million contract. He started every game as a rookie in 2004, throwing for 2,070 yards, 6 touchdowns and 12 interceptions in a 6-10 season. Manning has stayed connected to the Giants, joining their business operations and fan engagement team in 2021. His number 10 jersey was retired and he was inducted into the team's Ring of Honor on September 26, 2021. In broadcasting, he co-hosted the popular Manning Cast alternate Monday night football telecast with Peyton on ESPN and ESPN Plus, entering its 5th season in 2025 with a lineup of celebrity guests and behind-the-scene twists. Beyond media, he is dabbled in fun ventures like pranking PGA Tour pros undercover at the 2025 FedEx St. Jude Championship in August. Active on social media, Manning shares family moments and light-hearted posts, including a viral no-flexing workout photo in May 2025. He continues philanthropy through the Eli Manning Children's Fund, supporting pediatric care, and holds endorsements with brands like Reebok and Toyota.